Class 7th Math Chapter 1 Integer. All positive negative values for the value an integer which does not have decimal or fraction part with any non-zero integer a plus 0 0 plus a is equal to a multiply 0 0 multiply a is equal to 0 divided by 0 a divided by 0 not defined. Include 0 1 non-zero a multiply 1 1 multiply a multiply a is equal to 1 a multiply divided by 1 1 properties and have properties of and include closure commutative associative law by closure a plus b all positive all addition and multiplication and integer is closure properties. Subtraction में भी commutative a plus b is equal to b plus a multiply b is equal to b multiply a associative a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c and basic operation does not satisfy. Addition has additive identity additive inverse plus 3 minus 3. Subtraction satisfy multiplication has multiplicative identity 1 satisfy distributive property a multiply b plus c is equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. Subtraction में भी and division. Chapter 2 Fraction and Decimal. Fraction can be converted into decimal and reciprocal fraction. Part of the undergo addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Fraction a multiply c, a multiply c of fraction by fraction. A multiply this fraction of the whole number a multiply divided by c, a multiply 1 upon c. Second number को reciprocal fraction by fraction a multiply divide. Second number reciprocal d 1 upon c whole number fraction a divided by c, a multiply d upon c. And addition, multiplication, division, addition, decimal 1.5 10 where decimal इधर आ जाएगा 10 decimal is the whole number 1.6 decimal उसके according adjust and division of decimal divided by 10 80 decimal पीछे हो गया 100 divide by 3 8 0.8 पहले decimal हटाओ इसका फिर उसके बाद solve. Chapter 3 Rational Numbers. Rational number undergoes comparison and operation and rational number can be p upon q is not equal to 0 can be represent number line and thus can be expressed standard form and there standard form reduce कर दो and can be there exist infinite rational number any two rational number and the operation addition subtraction multiplication division addition additive inverse p upon q minus p upon q additive 0 and can be positive or negative both 0 also rational numbers. Chapter 4 Exponent and Powers. Laws of exponent multiply power add divided by power minus power multiply a minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a power 0 1 a upon b upon a upon b numbers से power same number different a multiply power m b power m. Exponent used to represent the multiplied by itself repeated number same number a base है और एक power होती है. Chapter 5 Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is the monomial one term binomial two term trinomial three term coordinate four term terms constant variable join multiply and divide. Chapter 6 Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation highest power is variable 1 with one variable. Simple equation while equation can be written as statement. Solution specific variable satisfy the equation can have many equations and can have found trial and error method. कोई वैल्यू रख के चेक करो. मेथड ऑफ बैलेंसिंग एक तरफ प्लस माइनस करके मेथड ट्रांसपोजिंग उसको उधर ले जाओ. लीनियर इक्वेशन फ्लाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मतलब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अलजेब्रिक राइट हैंड साइड अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस. Chapter 7 Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Method. Ratio of quantity are the same quantity of same unit is pure number expressed in simplest form. Value remains the old term multiply divide by increasing decreasing ratio old value upon new value. Proportion first ratio is equal to second ratio product of mean product of extreme. A divided by b divided by c. ABC continued proportion. A divided by c is the mean proportion. B divided by c. P square is equal to AC. Indirect variable variation a and b. A divided by constant in inverse variation. A multiply b is constant. A upon b is equal to c upon d or ab is equal to cd. Chapter 8 Percentage and Applications. Percentage is a numerator fraction with denominator 100. Application profit loss simple interest can be converted fraction decimal ratio. Chapter 9 Lines and Angles. Pair of angle adjacent angle linear pair vertically opposite angle complement angle supplement angle parallel interior alternative angle exterior alternative angle corresponding angle co-interior angle supplementary. Chapter 10 Triangle and their properties. Triangle part three side of the produced exterior angle also form sum of two interior angles. Sum of any two interior two side is greater than third side. Difference of any two side of the is lesser than third side. Difference में three angles sum of the triangle all angles triangle 180 exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. And the types based on side scale and equalator. Two side equal equalator में one side all side equal scale में कोई भी side equal नहीं. Based on acute angle triangle all angle less than 90 right angle 1 angle is 90, obtuse angle one angle is greater than 90. Chapter 11, congruence of triangle. Congruence of triangle. Triangle is the same shape and side the equal area. Triple S side. And the three sides of triangle is equal to corresponding of the three sides of the triangle. S side angle side, two side and the include one angle. Angle side angle, two angle include one side. RHS right angle hypotenuse and more and one more side of triangle are equal to corresponding hypotenuse other side. AAS SS AA इसमें हो सकता है angle side angle two angle are triangle equal to two angle of the triangle. The third angle both triangle will be also equal. Chapter 12, practical geometry. Construction by ruler and compass. Line parallel to given line through a point of not line using ruler compass. Example, this type of this, and the triangle element three sides the angle is unique given the three element three angle three side triangle triple S. This three side देखिए two side one angle पहले line angle cut और angle side angle two angle बना के ये line बना के cut कर दो और right angle triangle right angle ये बना के cut कर दिया and is unique given ये प्रोडक्ट से बनाएंगे. Chapter 13, symmetry. Symmetry, line symmetry figure हम same mirror rotation symmetry figure है looking exactly 180 line of symmetry ये बीच में line को cut कर रही है जैसे no line of symmetry one line symmetry है multiple line of symmetry regular van sides order of rotation number of line है तो look exactly complete उसे angle of rotation the angle by which object is rotated look exactly 360/9 formula n is the order of rotation center of rotation fixed point is along with the object is rotate. Chapter 14, visualizing solid shapes. Plane figure example circle square rectangle quadrilateral made up of nets and made up of the solid shape and the example cube cone sphere 3D shapes and they have faces meet edges vertices and the represent by 2D sketches होती हैं जो solid shape होती हैं और ये जो है example oblique and isomeric and example is this and the visualized sliding the shape resulting cross section can be vertical horizontal observing 2D shadow 3D shape looking at the different give rise view include top front side. Chapter 15, parameter and area. 2D shape है parameter and area. Parameter circle का 2 pi r polygon include triangle sum of 3 side rectangle 2 into L plus B 4 into side square का area circle का pi square polygon including triangle 1/2 base into height square side into side rectangle into B parallelogram base into height rhombus 1/2 product of diagonals. ये chapter 14 का रह गया था. Chapter 16, data handling and probability. Data is leads to collection of information representing interpretation in the sample space. Data has a representative value or mean. Mean is the mean sum of all observation, number of observation, range the maximum value minus minimum value, mode most frequency occurring value, median is n is odd value n plus 1/2 th, n is even upon 2 th plus n upon 2 plus 1 th upon 2, n is the number of observation and representation by bar graph double bar graph rectangle with equal y interpretation में भी यही आएगा and the data is sample में outcomes साथ ही probability है involve experiment by chance outcome lead 1/2 this. Chapter 16 था ये. इसके बाद क्लास 7th मैथ फिनिश.